Hey guys, today we're going to make our Oreo chocolate pudding dessert cups. First, we start with room temperature cream cheese, which we blend here until smooth. And after your cream cheese becomes smooth, you'll add in some whipped cream topping. And we'll mix that with the mixer again until everything is smooth and incorporated evenly. Next, we'll take some chocolate pudding that I have previously prepared and had chilling in the refrigerator, and we'll mix that whipped cream and cream cheese mixture into the pudding. We use the mixer just until it's evenly distributed and nice and fluffy. Okay, so now we'll gather our dessert cups. We'll start spooning that chocolate mixture in, and then we will add crushed Oreo cookies on top of that pudding, followed by some chocolate ganache on top of the cookie layer. You'll repeat this about 2 more times until it's filled to the top. And once you're done, you can even sprinkle on additional cookie crumbs. And here's your final product: Oreo chocolate pudding dessert cups. Enjoy!